There's one drill we would like you to work on before you arrive, and it's the cue ball speed drill. Zone 1 is 2 diamonds wide, but it's only 1 diamond long here because it includes coming to and going away from the rail. So this is zone 1. Then we have zone 2, 2 diamonds wide. Zone 3, 2 diamonds wide. Zone 4, and then at the end rail is zone 5. So to be clear, your shot starts here or anywhere along the foot string, shoot towards the head string, and as the cue ball comes back, this is zone 1. And then as it travels on its 3rd length of the table, this is zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5, all the way back, and then we're in zone 6, 7, 8, and 9, which is break speed. Your goal here is to first find your happy speed. What is happy speed? Happy speed is when you just strike the cue ball with no concern for where it will wind up, just your natural stroke. All of these shots start from the foot spot line or the foot line. I'd like you to shoot these towards the head of the table. We know the damage that this rail gets. So once you have happy speed, then you convert to zone 1. And that may mean you need to slow your speed down some. Most advanced players are either a 2 or a 3, sometimes even a 4. So you may have to slow your speed down to get to zone 1. For me, zone 1 is just happy speed. That's just what happens when I don't try to make anything happen. It just goes down and comes back. I want to win the lag a lot, so I like my happy speed to be a 1. After we have zone 1, we know our happy speed, we have 1, we just add a little bit of power and try to get into zone 2. And so when I'm shooting zone 2s, when I'm first learning this drill, I want to get to zone 2 8 out of 10 shots. Once I can get in zone 2 really well, 8 out of 10 times, now I'm going to add a little bit and see if I can get to zone 3. Now, when you're warming up for your match using this drill, you'll not try to make 8 out of 10 in that zone. You'll just make 3 out of 5. But when you're learning this drill, shoot 8 out of 10 before you move on. And once you have zone 3, move to zone 4, which is about as hard as we believe you'll ever really need to hit a pool shot. And then once you get zone 4 down, move on out to zone 5. Additional information can be found on our website, nationalbilliardacademy.com. You can use the Contact Us button on that page to send questions or registration information. You can email Karen, our director, at nationalbilliardacademy@gmail.com. I want to thank Brent here at Sure Thing Billiards, Lake Arrowhead Road, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, for allowing us to use his pool hall as our studio. I want to thank Team MBA for all their support, and of course, I want to thank you for watching. I invite you to watch the other videos in this series and join our channel. We'll be adding live videos throughout this year so you can see what a pool clinic looks like. Thanks again for watching. Take care.